Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Marshall's and they have a lot of nice little sneakers out. They have these blowfish right here. These tie-dye ones for $19.99. Pumas, $34.99. Alright, these are Steve Madden. These are going for $29.99. These are restricted, $19.99. Tommy Bahama, vintage, $29.99. These cushioniers, these are really soft, $19.99. I love these Anne Klein ones for $29.99. Nautica, $24.99. Look at these right here, the white and the silver. $34.99 for those. Those are really nice. I like those. And these are by, let's see who they're by. Urban Sports. Those are really nice. Skechers. Here's some more of those Urban Sports in black. I love those. Alright, so we're in the sandals over here. These are some more cushioniers. These are really soft. I really like these. They're $16.99. Let's see, these are Dolce Vita, $29.99. I really like those, the fur. Red Tag, Nicole Miller. They have these juicy ones right here, $19.99. And these ones right here I really like. These are by, I think it's Cupid, $12.99 for those. Really nice house slippers, really nice. Steve Madden, $39. These are Madden as well, $29 as well. They have a lot of blowfish, a lot of Tommy Bahamas. I really like the blowfish though. Those are really nice. Alright, so over here in this section right here, they have a lot of nice home decor. They have that wall shelf right there for $19.99. That's really nice. I like that. Here's another wall shelf here. And that's what it looks like. It has the moon, children's wood wall shelf. And it's $24.99 by Jack and Ray. They have a lot of nice little bins here or baskets here. $16.99 for those. You're on mute. $4.99. But they have a lot of nice home decor. That mirror right there I love for $24.99. More of the wall shelves there. They have these right here. Pencil cups, but I could use this for like a toothbrush holder or something like that for your bathroom. They have these right here, $4.99. That lap desk right there, Follow Your Heart, $19.99. They have a lot of these. They have that one right there. They have these ones. All of these are $19.99. More of the home decor there. Live, Laugh, and Love by Ray Dunn. Coffee. They have these nice pictures right there. That wall art right there for $12.99. And look how nice the drawer pulls are. A set of 8. They have them in different colors. Very pretty. I love these ones right here. Let's see, the price of these are going for $4.99. Very nice. They have these monitorizers here for $39.99 in gold and silver. Enjoy the little things. With my whole heart, for my whole life, $4.99. these right here, Hope. They have those. Those are $24.99. All right, so they have these nice little jackets right here. I see pink and white. These are really nice, and they're made by Blank NYC. These are $39.99. Very nice. They have these white jean jackets here, and it has a hood on it on the back of these, made by Blank as well. And I also see some blue jean ones. And the prices of these are going for $49.99. Those are really nice. I like those. Let's see, what are these right here? We have these little nice sweatshirts right here with the skull heads on them. Very nice. I like that. And it has a short front and a longer back. All right, so they have a lot of nice lamps up here. I like the gold bottom. $24.99 for those. They have these candle holders right here. They have LED candle holders. $16.99 for those in black. They also have those right there. $16.99 for those. And they also have the smaller ones in black. And I see brown back there as well. The smaller ones are $12, and it has a light bulb on the inside. It looks like it's battery operated. They have a lot of nice furniture in here, guys. Look at that chair, gray with the gold. $79.99 for that. They have a lot of these little caddies right here. This would go great in your bathroom for $59.99. And they have these little baskets right here, great for your bathroom. $7.99 for those. And they have the smaller one here for $5.99. All right, so they have some nice kitchen items. I love this bowl right here. Nice bowl to put like fruit and things in on your table or on your kitchen counter. $16.99 for that. Have these wooden bowls right here. You get a set of 4. $9.99 for those. Look at this boil pan right here by Ray Dunn. 3-quart casserole pan right here. $19.99 for that. Ray Dunn also have these cracker containers right here. These are $12.99. See, what are these? These are 4 wooden plates, a set of 4. These are really nice. $9.99. I really like the wooden plates. Let's see what else they have here. This is a set of 2 ensemble wooden. You can use these as to cut things on, decoration. You can use those for a lot of things. They have these little appetite plates right here. You get a set of 4. $16.99. All right, so I'm over here in the Easter section here. They have a lot of nice Easter items here. They have this one right here that says Hop to It by Ray Dunn. Really nice mug. $9.99. They have this little gnome right here, the cookie jar. They have these little guys right here. They have 2 of these little measuring bowls right here with the carrots, $4.99. They have this little bunny right here with his rain hat on. Let's see what the price of him. He's $14.99. $9.99 for that. They have a lot of nice little Easter items, guys, if you can see that. You can see the wreaths up there for $16.99. They have some of those larger carrot bowls there. And how cute are these right here? With the it's a gnome with the bees on it. $7.99. These little mugs right here that says Chick Magnet. These are $9.99. Happy Easter, $14.99. It's really pretty. We also have another gnome, guys. Really nice. They have these little boxes right here. $3.99. You get a small, medium, and large. They are different prices. Alright, so as you can see on this back wall right here, they have tons and tons of little gnomes up there, Easter gnomes. They have the bunnies, the wooden bunnies. They have the different color eggs here. Really pretty. $6.99. They have these little faux plants right here. $7.99. Have all the beautiful rabbits. Here's one turquoise one right here. They have these eggs right here. You get a set of 3 ceramic eggs. These are going for $6.99. They also have these ones right here. Nice. We have this blue dish right here with the egg. $7.99. They also have a salt and pepper shaker. I'm assuming this is by Ray Dunn. Yep. This is going for $9.99. A little trinket dish right here, $7.99. They have the little chocolate bunnies right here, $3.99 for the smaller ones, and the bigger one is $5.99. And how cute are all these characters right here? They range in different prices. They have Snoopy. They also have a lot of 8 travel cups here, guys. These would be great if you're walking out and you don't have any cups at home. You can use these right here. These are $3.99. You get a set of 8. They have the nice little napkins right here with the bunnies on these. You get a, let's see, how much are they first? These are $3.99. And you get a total of 40 pieces. A lot of the little rabbits down here at the bottom. And how cute is this egg right here? It lights up. It says try me, but it doesn't light up. They have some of the napkins here. They have the plates. And they have the longer ones here as well. $4.99 for those. Alright guys, what caught my eye is this little jelly bean bowl right here. Jelly beans by Ray Dunn. $4.99. And look at these cute ramen bowls here. So you get the bowl and the chopsticks here. I love these. I bought one the other day. These are $6.99. And they also have the little dip bowl and spreaders here. Come in different colors. These are $4.99. Here's some more of the ramen bowls in red. If you're looking for home decor, guys, they have a lot of it here in Marshall's. Of course, they have a lot of mugs. If you're looking for different mugs, Crack Me Up, Extra Special, You're Perfect, and I love this one right here with the moon and the stars. It's purple on the inside. Let's see what the price of it is. $4.99 for that. There is another one here. Very nice. There's some more of those chick magnet ones here. Have those. I'm just going to turn around here and let you see all of the kitchen items that they have here. They have soap dispensers here, sink saddles, sponges in different colors. They have sink strainers if you need those. They have some wash bags here. You get a set of 2. Alright guys, so everything on this little rack here in the middle of the store, they have a lot of nice little decorative items here. Look at this little bunny right here for $4.99. But what caught my eye are these right here. Very beautiful. We have the bunny here. I love this right here. $7.99. They have this right here in silver, $9.99, and I also see it in black as well. We have this right here. This can be used for so many things. I see pink, and I also see like a beige color right here. Look at her lipstick. Really pretty. This right here is very heavy. It's $6.99. They even have a smaller one here as well. Very nice. And look at this little guy right here, guys. I'm not sure what he's doing or what he's thinking, but that's very nice. And I couldn't leave without stopping at the wall of art here. Very nice painting, $24.99 for that. Let's see if they have any more. Let's see, they have some back here. Let's see, I don't want to drop anything. They have this one right here. And here is the actual artist right here. Her name is QueenB. Wow, isn't that something? QueenB. I can't pronounce her last name, so I'm not going to butcher that. But this is $24.99. This one is $24.99. And Good Things Lay Ahead, that's $24.99 as well, if you can see that. Let me step back. Those are very nice. These are on sale. These are red tag marked, $12. The Essential Guide to Coffee. This is $16.99 here. I love this one right here, $12.99. I'll Keep You Wild. This is a set of 2 framed canvas art. This is what they look like. And they have a lot of mirrors, of course. We have this one right here for $39.99. And I love that one right there. I wish they had it in gold. I think Target has those as well. This one right here, this is by Habitat. Yeah, I only see black, but those are really nice. All right, and the last thing I see here is this nice little bathroom decor right here in pink. This right here is going for, it doesn't have a price on that, but I love this right here. You can put all of your jewelry and things of that nature in. Or use it as anything for like your desk or anything like that. You can put pencils, paper, things of that nature. And this one right here is $9.99. A lot of bathroom accessories. Here's another one of those little cute little containers right here. We have these right here. These. And I'm not sure what these are here, but you can use these to put like your essentials in. Let's see, price. They don't have a price on those, but they also have them in gray as well. And I see that they have towels in those for decoration. We have a lot of clear, soft trash cans right here. They range in different prices. This one right here is $24.99. These ones are $12.99. They have them in silver and white and black. Alright guys, so I just wanted to pop into Marshall's to see what they had to offer here. Look at those pretty pillows right there with the rabbits. How nice are these right here? I know they're separate prices. The roses are $9.99. Those are really pretty. They have them in yellow and white. But I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. My name is Ms QueenB. Black is beautiful, $14.99. I have this sweatshirt. But thanks so much for stopping by my channel, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Let's see what type of sweater this is right here. So it's just maybe just a little nice little dress here, and you get the sweater. I've been seeing them put these out here, these jumpers here. These are $16.99. They have them in different colors. All right, guys, so I am out of here, and thanks so much for stopping by. Bye, guys.